Hello and thanks for checking out our video for quality garage door services here in Orlando. If you need garage door repair or garage door installation anywhere in the Orlando or the surrounding areas, please give us a call. Ask about our internet specials. We have $40 off spring replacement, $50 off single door garage replacement, and $100 off double door garage replacement. Call us today at 407-705-3456 and we can give you a quote right over the phone. We also have senior and military discounts. We would love to help you with any of your garage door repair needs today. Thanks.